This jambalaya is fire. This jambalaya, this jambalaya, this jambalaya is fire. Coconut sausage jambalaya. Coconut sausage jambalaya.
Hey, yes, TikTok chef Gabrielle Reyes is turning her recipes into musical meals. She joins us now as part of our TikTok chef series with a vegan coconut sausage jambalaya recipe. Oh my gosh, this sounds amazing. Welcome, Gabriela!
Hello, blessings.
So I
Thank you so
gotta
much for
tell you,
having me.
thank you so much for taking the time to be with me today. I have been on this TikTok recipe kick as of late. How did this whole saying start with your TikTok posts?
Well, so I started TikTok back in 2018, back when nobody was up on TikTok. And I first started sharing truth. So I would just kind of speak some truth. And then I started incorporating a little tune here and there. My husband does my beatbox for me. So he would just start beatboxing along with me. And then they kind of just took over my life after that.
So much fun, because it's important to have fun in the kitchen. Now, do you purposely try to avoid certain ingredients because it's hard to like rhyme with it?
That's so funny you actually mentioned that, because I literally just did a recipe that had the word orange in it, and I was working every single way around that word. I ended up figuring it out, you know, orange, glorange, splorange, those weren't working out. So I had to just figure it out some other way.
You could start
but
like,
there are a couple words I have to avoid, for sure.
You can make up words and just kind of like Gabrielle them up a little bit, and it becomes your own language. I love it.
Exactly.
So, I love what we said we were going to make today. This whole jambalaya is fire. I'm ready to start. I'm ready to start cooking. So tell me what to do, because I love me some jambalaya.
This jambalaya is fire. This jambalaya, this jambalaya, this jambalaya is fire. Coconut sausage jambalaya. Coconut sausage jambalaya. We are about to cook it up today, Mario. Yes, and you're about to sing along with me too. Don't you worry. You're going to learn all those notes.
Okay, I'm ready. Fantastic.
Right,
so what do we do first?
You're going to need some oil up in your pan, and then grab yourself some diced up white onions. I start off so many of my recipes with onions and oil. Literally, you can make anything. So we're going to saute these babies down until they are nice and golden.
I love
brown
me sauteed onions. You put that on, I can put that on anything. I love it.
And I like to also sometimes add in a little bit of garlic too. I mean, after you add in the onions, all you need left are just some vegetables, some plant protein, and a little bit of some sauciness in there.
Okay.
So now that our white onions are sauteing down, you're going to grab your coconut milk, full fat coconut milk. Grab your coconut milk and add it into your pan. Ooh, she's going to get nice and creamy.
Ooh, this coconut milks.
Next, grab your rice. You have 2 cups of rice right here. And what's here, you can use brown rice. You can use quinoa if you want to. Whatever your health aspect that you're going to go for, you can use that rice in yourself. And next, let's add in those seasonings and those spices. First, grab yourself your Cajun seasoning. Give it a nice sniff. See, it's delicious.
That's good.
Ooh. So pour that into your pan. There we go. Just like that. And now, smoked paprika. Hey, smoked paprika. Hey, hey, hey. Add that smoked paprika. I literally add smoked paprika into. Hey, see, you gotta sing it, Mario. Smoked paprika. Hey, smoked paprika.
You got to be careful when you're singing and breathing though with the paprika. Then you start choking.
Don't breathe it into your vocal. That won't work out. All right, so let's move on to nutritional yeast. Have you ever worked with nutritional yeast?
Not on purpose.
Okay. Well, we're about to get into this nutritional yeast. It is such an incredible ingredient. Not only is it fortified with B12, it got protein in there too, Mario. We adding in that plant protein up in this recipe. And next, I want you to grab your maple syrup. This is going to add a little bit of sweetness into this recipe.
I didn't know you put maple in jambalaya. I like that move. Wow.
Okay, so do you have some hot sauce with you?
Of course I have some hot sauce. Boom.
Ooh, okay, so you can choose however much or however little you like.
I like to get aggressive with the hot sauce.
You can't tell. Go in with the hot sauce.
I want my sinuses to be clear.
Next, Mario, I want you to grab your kidney beans.
Kidney beans.
Hey, kidney kidney beans.
Kidney beans.
Yes.
You gotta stir the kidney beans.
Next, Mario, grab yourself your peas. The green peas. Of course, I love adding in a pop of some green, a little bit of freshness.
I'm just gonna go a little bit because I'm not a big pea guy, but a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay, just a little bit.
Okay.
So now this next ingredient is really what's gonna make it the full jambalaya flavor, right? So I have some plant-based sausage right here.
Wow.
Add it straight into your pan.
I never had plant-based sausage.
Get ready to dig on in now, okay? This jambalaya is fire. This jambalaya is fire. This jambalaya is fire. Mix up the jambalaya. Mix up the jambalaya. All right? You got your jambalaya mixed up?
It's mixed up.
That was the interlude for the mixing. Okay. And guess what, Mario? We are done with this recipe. All we got to do is add on the top, boom, and let her cook for about 20 minutes. Okay. Until that rice nice and cooked up. And guess what you get when you're done after 20 minutes?
Oh, is that what it looks? Oh, that looks good. That's not bad.
You ready to dig in?
I am ready to dig in.
You got it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna dig in when you dig in.
Okay, I'm gonna try this sausage.
5, 6, 7, 8.
This jambalaya is fire. This jambalaya.
This jambalaya. This jambalaya.
I can't talk when I'm mouthful. Hey, the sausage isn't bad. So, you have a cookbook that talks about a lot of these great recipes, right? Tell me about that.
So it's called Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. There's over 120 music-infused recipes up in here. I also have skincare routine, my workout routine, and I mean, there is a recipe for every season. Literally, we got Caribbean, American, Puerto Rican, Haitian, everything you need in your life right here.
I love it. I love it. Love you. That was a lot of fun. Hopefully, we'll see you later. Thank you so much, Gabrielle.
Thank you so much.
For more great recipes, be sure to follow Gabrielle on social media or pick up a copy of her cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking. Up next, we're doing brow makeovers with eyebrow guru Daniel McFadden.